What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over XRP, guys. There's a large bullish pattern that I noticed on the daily that I wanted to talk about with you guys. So currently we're sitting at $1.16. We're up about 4% on the day. We have seen a relief bounce for XRP. We're sitting at a market cap of 53.76 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.52 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up and receive an awesome Visa card where you can get Spotify, Netflix, Prime for free, as well as travel incentives. So let's hop into XRP on the 1 hour time frame. So what happened here, guys? I'm gonna open this up. So we came down and we broke the 0.5, which we talked about in our last XRP video. And I said, if we lose the golden ratio, there's a higher likelihood of us coming back down to where we started. And that's exactly what happened. We came right down to $1.05, which was our previous swing low. And then we saw our bullish divergence, which we saw with many of the coins here. Price was falling while the RSI was rising, signifying that the bears are running out of steam. And the bulls stepped up for a nice relief bounce all the way up to this level of resistance from our double top here at $1.19, previous level of support, and then we've come back down. Now, it would be crucial here for us to hold the golden ratio if we are going to see continuation to the upside here. What we may see is a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. So here would be your left shoulder, here would be your head. So if you see us start to come down and we consolidate in this area here, we could create that right shoulder. And if you see us break out and we break the neckline right at about $1.19 here, give your breakout target. Wow, it would be a huge breakout, guys. Would bring XRP back up here. Let's give it a low price target. Back up to about $1.33, which is very close to our high at $1.35. What you can also do here, because we've seen a bounce, is you can take your Fibonacci out and you can go swing high, swing low. And you can see here that we're currently running into resistance right at the golden ratio, and we're back underneath the 0.5. So the bulls would have to step up and push us back above the golden ratio, break out of this inverse head and shoulders, and then you could head up to that $1.33 price target. All right, guys, so we're going to drop into XRP on the daily. So the larger pattern is a bull flag, and it's quite significant here. So I'm just going to drop it in. Hope you guys are well. Hope the pets are healthy. And hope that you do absolutely something exciting today. All right, guys. So if you see us start to break above this bull, I'm going to drop this down a little bit. This bull flag here, it's also the golden ratio. If we break above, we back test it as support. It's a large breakout target here. Measure your flag pull, and it would bring you right up very close to that $1.98, which is the previous swing high, the all-time high here at $1.98. So do keep an eye on this pattern. Could be a massive, juicy trade here. Let's look at if we break out. That's a trade of about, wow, 50% here for XRP. Could be much, much more if you're trading with leverage. Make sure to sign up to Bybit to receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. So let's drop in our levels of support here back on the 1 hour time frame. Let's actually jump into the 4 hour. All right, I'm just going to take my Fibonacci back here from our swing low up to our swing high. So if you see us start to lose the golden ratio here at about $1.14, do target that $1.05 where we came down to, a backtest of support there. And if we lose that level of support, then do target this 98-cent $1 range, which was a strong level of support here on the daily time frame. Here's $1. See the resistance in this area and the support in this area as well. If we were to lose that previous swing low, which is at $1.05, and then keep an eye on that inverse head and shoulders. If we come down, see a small correction, we form that right shoulder, and then we see the bullish volume step up going into next week. We break the neckline. Your target is $1.33 here for XRP. Now, I have been mentioning in my other videos that we are seeing a large increase, almost 600% in short positions here on Bitfinex margin, total long and short positions. And we are underneath 50% for all of our altcoins for whales being in long positions. So just keep that in mind. That doesn't mean that we won't pump higher here. But when you see those kind of signals, it does signify correction. It does signify that a larger correction may come. So that's it for XRP. Do keep an eye on this bull flag on the daily. If you do see it start to break out with some volume here, it's a massive trade all the way up here to about $1.85, very close to our all-time high. So keep an eye on that large pattern. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button. Follow me on social. Join crypto.com as well as Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.